Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, my name is Seong and this is Robin over here, together with my teammates. Okay, so today we are going to introduce our company to you, Rexton. Okay, our company aims to become the most profitable company by the end of this year. Okay, and we actually have the missions. Our mission actually lies in being customer-centric, while at the same time having the greatest usage for all the computers. So right now, what we are doing is we are actually focusing on aggressive expansion in the global markets, such that we actually try to capture all the markets in the world, and we actually have a very strong market in China. Because right now we have actually expanded into all 4 markets in China, and we have a total domination of market over there due to lack of competitors. And next point is we actually position ourselves as a low price provider, such that we undercut, not say undercut until like no profit at all. So we undercut our competitors such that we are still very profitable. So moving on, right now, our current locations, as mentioned just now, these are the current locations. We actually total 9 sales office, and we actually plan not to just stop here. We actually have planned to set up 2 more sales office in the US, such that we have all the markets in US also. So right now, what makes us think that we will be the most profitable company by the end of this year? Okay, I'm going to show you some of our company's achievements right now. Because first thing is the price. Okay, for price, right now we are actually for price, we actually analyze all our competitors' prices, and we make sure that we are always the lowest price product in the market. And this actually make our demand for the cost cutters as well as the workforce to be very good. And also, in order to do this, we actually have to calculate the optimum point of production, such that we make full use of the economies of scale. Next thing is actually our product. Our product, what we do is we actually design our own product at first, at the 3rd quarter. After we push out our products, we actually look at all the competitors' products, compare with them, and then we actually check out what are the components that can fit in the best, such that we can solve all our consumer needs, and we actually do some reverse engineering and improve them further, such that we can fit all the customer needs. So basically, other than that, right now we actually have the top innovators product as well as the second cost cutters product. And in addition to that, our product engineers, our product designers, they are actually very confident in coming out with one cost cutter product that they say that it's possible to reach up to 90 over out of 100 for the brand judgment. So this looks very promising. And then right now I'm going to move on to our target segments. Okay, these are our 2 primary and secondary target segments. And with that, I hand over to my financial. Okay, she will be telling you about how she will be doing a financial forecast basically. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you, Seong. After hearing all this about our market demand, market share, what's really interesting is that what does that translate into? First one, this graph here shows our revenue. So as you can see from here, from 2nd quarter onwards, our company is actually generating a large sum of revenue, and the increasing trend is the most promising one. Second one, about our firm profitability. Also, from the 3rd quarter onwards, our firm has been able to generate a large sum of profits, and we are absolutely confident to sustain this trend. So with that, I'll now touch on our company valuation. So the key assumption here is that the discount rate is 15%, and with that, our company is valued at 54 million currently, with earnings per share at 45 of $57, and our ROI is at 254%. This is the breakdown of our computation. So we basically calculate our cash inflow, outflow, and find our net present value. So eventually we get this number, net present value, at $54 million, and estimated future share price at 398. So that means we'll be able to give you an ROI of 245%. And with that, we are actually seeking a $5 million investment in exchange of 7% of our company share. And in return, we'll be able to generate, just like what my CEO has said, from 5 million you'll be able to get 12 million in return. And we are fully confident that our goals are aligned, so we'll be able to work hand in hand to achieve that goal. Thank you very much.
Is there any questions?
Can I ask about your future expansion plan?
Yes, sure. Basically, right now, as mentioned just now, we already gained control over China. And basically, we look at the competitors analysis, right? In China, we actually right now we only have one competitors, and that GEM, they only have one sales office, and their product, right, didn't actually do well because our price was much lower because we actually capitalized on our economies of scale. So actually, right now we are looking at going into a more profitable region, US, which we observed over the past few reports. Yeah.
So what are the segments that you'll be opening in the US?
Okay, basically, right, our products will target mainly cost cutters and workforce. As mentioned just now, right, my designer actually come up with this. They actually analyzed the past products components and came up with this very promising brand, okay, which we believe will do well.
And to add on to that, and to complement to our profit margin, right, we are not only focusing on these two target markets. We have products for all target markets. As you've seen, our innovator product got first. So this complements our profits because not only are we are focusing on this for the staple because the total demand, right, 50% is made up by workforce and cost cutters. So we don't want to lose that bulk of the buyers, consumers. So at the same time, we also complement our profit margin because we realize that the top three target markets are less price elastic. That means if we give them the right features, they are willing to pay the price for it. So in those three other target markets, we are expecting to exploit better profit margins. And on top of expanding into America, we also plan to expand into Canada and Europe consecutively in the following quarters.
What's your financial risk right now?
Our financial risk is
0.83.
So do you have any loan shark?
Right now we have encountered one loan shark, but we are confident that 1 million.
Do we have any plan on R&D development?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, right now for R&D, we are focusing on cost cutter. Because, like what he just said, we are now very confident of our cost cutter product, and it's quite sure that the competitors will copy our product. So, in order to stay competitive, we invest a lot on the R&D for cost cutters.
Alright, I have one last question. How are you going to use the 5 million? As in, how are you going to split up into whatever expansion plan that you have?
With the 5 million, right, probably the next quarter we are going for a bigger factory.
So you are going to invest in factory
and R&D.
and R&D.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. Can you help us get the next thing?
Okay, sure.